In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and edit your Squarespace website. This tutorial will guide you through the simple process of accessing your dashboard and making those necessary changes to personalize your site. Whether you're just starting out with Squarespace or you've been using it for a while, these steps will help you feel more comfortable editing and managing your site. First things first, let's head over to Squarespace's website. If you're not on it already, simply open your internet browser and type in squarespace.com. Squarespace is well known for its user-friendly interface and beautiful templates, but it all starts by going to their main page. Once you're on the Squarespace website, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you might need to set it up first, but for the purposes of this guide, we'll assume you already have an account. After logging in, you're going to be directed to your dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage and customize your site to your liking. In the dashboard, you'll see a few different options. These might seem a little overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to this, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the essentials. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll find the navigation panel. This is where you access all the different areas for editing your website. From here, you can start tailoring your website's design, play around with templates, or adjust settings according to your preferences. To dive into editing, you'll want to click on your site's title or the Edit button next to it. This will direct you to the site editor where all the magic happens. Here you can modify everything from the layout to the colors, to even the tiniest details in the text. Squarespace's design editor is drag and drop friendly, which makes moving elements around the page a breeze. If you're looking to change text or images, just click on the area you want to edit and make your changes directly. This live editing format is particularly handy because it allows you to see exactly what your changes will look like in real time. And remember, the undo button is always your friend. Don't be afraid to experiment with different looks and styles until you're satisfied with the result. When you're done making changes, it's recommended to preview your site to ensure everything looks as you intended. You can do this by clicking the preview option, which will display your website as visitors will see it. This is a fantastic way to do a final check before any updates go live. Once you're happy with your edits, all that's left to do is save your changes and publish them. And there you have it. You've just learned how to access and edit your website using Squarespace. By getting comfortable with these basic steps, you'll be more than ready to explore deeper customization options that give your website its unique flair. Happy editing!